So good morning students. Today we are going to see the cracked coffee cup. That is the textbook answers, questions and answers. So fill in the blanks. Question 1. Teddy took his pillow as a sign of dash them. Milk among them. Connie and Teddy were in the garden at 12 p.m. Muthu collected dash from every house. Garbage. Anbu was dash old boy. 2-year-old boy. Connie took Teddy out for a walk. Question answer. Question 1. Why did Connie run to the kitchen? Answer is Connie ran to the kitchen to pick up the garbage bag. Question number 2. Where did Connie see the old cracked cup? Answer. Connie saw the old cracked cup near the kitchen sink. Question number 3. Who are the guests to Connie home? Answer. Ronnie auntie and her 2-year-old son Anbu were guests to the Connie's home. Question number 4. What did Connie realize in the story? Answer. Connie realized that she had to compensate. She also decided to treat everyone equally with love and respect. Question number 5. Do you think you treat everyone equally? Justify with an example. Answer. Yes, I treat everyone equally. I used to help the poor irrespective of their caste, religion, with my pocket money. Match the clipped word and write it on the line. So spectacles, specs, microphone, mic, automobile, auto, mathematics, maths, centum, cent. Write down clipped word for the given picture. 100% அப்படிங்கிறது centumனு சொன்னா இல்லைன்னா centum சொல்லலாம். Photograph, clipped word photo. Refrigerator, clipped word fridge. Hippopotamus, clipped word hippo. Gymnasium, clipped word gym. Write the correct clipped word on the line. I saw him in the laboratory. We can write it as lab. I saw him in the lab. I have dash examination next week. I have an exam next week. Examination can be written as exam. She acted in the dash advertisement first time. She acted in the ad first time. Advertisement can be written as ad. She bought a new refrigerator. She bought a new fridge. We can write a refrigerator as fridge. I saw some wild animals in the zoological park. I saw some wild animals in the zoo. So thank you students. Let us see in the next lesson, in the next video. Thank you.